Today we're reviewing stock number 207963 on a 2016 Chevy Equinox LTZ, and our exterior color is white. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, premium audio system, power seats with lumbar support, memory seats, leather wrapped upholstery, sunroof, light controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, forward collision detection and lane departure warning, hands-free communication and audio controls, cruise control, OnStar with electrochromatic mirror, rear hatch controls, garage door opener, AM/FM radio with auxiliary, climate control with AC, and heated seats with traction control. And our interior color is black. Moving on to exterior features, we have alloy wheels, dual exhaust outlets, rear parking assist, backup camera, remote trunk release, power hatch, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, and you can fold the seats down for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 207963 on a 2016 Chevy Equinox, and our exterior color is white.